why you must share your success. Whenever you have achieved something, you've appeared on a podcast, you've spoken to a large group of people, let's say at a networking event, you've written a book, your article has appeared in some prestigious, magazine or online website, you have to go out and let people know. Now, a lot of time people are hesitant to do this. And the reason is because we're taught, from an early age by people that, well, no one likes to show off. But the reality is, if you want to succeed in today's online world, you have to let people know. You have to share your accomplishments. And you have to develop the mindset that it's okay to go out and to do this. What happens is when you are sharing your success, you're talking about how, you've spoken somewhere, or your book is out, or you wrote articles somewhere. People become impressed with this because they see how you are an expert. And that instills the confidence in them to want to do business with you because people buy from experts. So let's take the example of a wealth coach. The wealth coach is claiming that they're an expert and that they can help you save for your future. They can talk to you about investments and they can help you, create a great financial future, and that, you should hire them and that they're the ones who are going to do this for you. So you go to check them out and you see that they're on their social media. You signed up for their newsletter and you're seeing in their newsletter and you're seeing on their blog post, on their website, how they're talking a bit about, some of the stuff they've done and achieved. And they're saying, I spoke recently at this, networking group about, financial investments. Here's a picture, here's a photo of me speaking to this group of people. Or maybe they're talking about, they're sharing how they recently appeared on a podcast about talking about this topic of financial investments. Or, maybe also in addition to this, you're seeing, links that they're putting out on social media or that they shared in a newsletter, how their article appeared in some prestigious financial magazine. So you're seeing all of this, and then the person that sees all this is impressed, and they're thinking, wow, this wealth coach really knows what they're talking about, because that's why their article got published, or that's why their book got published, or that's why they got to speak to all these people in this group, this networking group. Or they were invited to appear on a podcast because of this. So they're seeing all of this, and they're seeing that this wealth coach is an expert in their field, and that's instilling in them the confidence, and it's going to be a contributing factor for them to go out and to hire this wealth coach. So what I want to leave you with today is that you have to have the mindset that it's okay to share your triumphs with people, that you have to have this mindset to develop it, that you got to get out there and you got to go online and you got to always be talking about your recent achievements. Thank you for your time today, and you can learn more about this topic on Amazon, on my book, Engineer Your Celebrity. Thank you.